दोस्तों, एजुकेशन और टेक्नोलॉजी से रिलेटेड वीडियोस देखने के लिए दिए गए सब्सक्राइब बटन को दबाएं और लेटेस्ट वीडियोस नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन बटन को दबाना ना भूलें।
So here I am, friends. I have opened a PowerPoint presentation workbook. So this is the first slide. I will just delete this and I will move this slide up and I will write something here like this is a first slide. So I'll just change the font. You can keep any font as you like. I'm just using this font for example purpose. Okay, so I'll just change the color also. Let me take the color as total black. So in order to create the handwriting effect, I need to insert a picture of a hand which is holding a pen or a pencil. I can do this in two ways. I can first of all go to insert and then click on this picture and I can insert the picture from the relevant folder, or I can drag the picture which I want and paste it here. So I go to this folder where the picture is and I take this picture and paste it here. So this is quite big. I need to resize it. So I go here and I decrease the size of the picture. So I think this should be enough. No, I need to decrease it further. Okay, so I think this should be enough. So this is the picture with which I am going to create the handwriting effect. So now there are two parts to create this effect. The first part includes the text and the second part includes the picture. I need first of all to create an animation for this text. So for that I select this, I go to the animations pane, I select this appear. In fact, I have covered this text animation in one of another videos of mine. So feel free to check out the video which is related to creating a PowerPoint typewriter animation. So I'm just going to create a typewriter animation for this text. So I've already selected it, I've already made the animation as appear. So I'll just go to the animation pane, I will right click here, I'll go to the effect options. For creating the typewriter effect, in the effect options I need to come here, that is animate text, where it is written all at once. I go to the drop down menu and I select by letter. And you see here it is by default showing 0.5 seconds delay between letters. So let me play this animation now. So this is how this animation of text is going to play. So this was my first part. Now the second part is that I need to make an animation for this JPG image. For that what I need to do is, I just close this all and I'll increase the zoom. Now for the animation of this image, I just click it, I do animation and I go here and I select the custom path. I click here and you see now when I come here, I don't have a pointer, I have a plus sign. So this means the animation for this image has been selected, which is the custom path. Now this is a little bit tricky out here. What I need to do is, I need to trace the entire written portion here with the mouse. So let me start here. I just click here, left click here and I start tracing. So I'm doing this because I can then apply this animation to the hand image so that it follows the same tracing what I have already done. So this will create a good animation. and thus it will create a good handwriting effect. So you don't really have to be very perfect in this, just you need to have a good tracing of this entire text, and everything else will fall in line. So I'm already at the letter T. My drawing is not very good, but still I'm tracing it, so that matters. So L, then I, then D, and E. And be careful the whole time, you don't have to take your finger off the left button of the mouse, you have to keep it pressed. And you see now I am at the last point. I release the button and I just press the escape key. So you see here, this is the animation which will be applied to this image. Now to come back to the main size, I just click here. So this is the original size of the window. Let me go back to the animations pane and let me view the normal. We are back here. So first of all, let me play this animation to see where we stand as of now. Okay, so you see here it is showing it is on click. If I go here, it is showing that is start on click, that is okay. Now this picture, it has to animate with the previous one. So I select here. Let me see where we stand. Okay, so this is the initial rough idea what I have got. So now friends, we have to do a lot of manual setting here in order to make the effect as per our liking. So I'll just move this animation here and let's see what it happens. Okay. So one thing which I need to do here now is, in order to make sure that this animation completes in the same time frame as this text, I need to see what were the timings of this text, and then I need to set the timings of this animation. So first of all, I need to right click on the text animation and I need to go into the timings portion. So timings here, everything is okay, and effect. If I see the effect one, you see in the animate text, it is 0.5 seconds delay between the letters. So let us first of all count the letters. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 letters, and there is a 0.5 seconds delay between letters. So when it is animating, this means 17 into 0.5. So this entire text animation should finish in 8.5 seconds. Okay, so we come back, we right click on this picture and we go to timings, and you see here in timings, duration of this JPG handwriting effect, this should be 8.5 seconds. This is a normal calculation, you don't need to worry too much about it. And another thing we need to take into consideration is we should click here effect, and then there are a lot of settings here for the path. It is smooth start, smooth end, bounce end. So we don't need it right now. So just make sure all of these are 0, and then you just click OK. Okay. So it is a little bit more refined now. Now we just need to change the position to suit our purpose. So let me try this. Okay. Now and preview. It's becoming a little bit better now. But a little bit more refinement is needed. So let me again click here and bring it a little bit here. Okay. Let me do again the preview. Much refined. This is our first slide. Okay. So friends, we have finished here. This is how we are creating the handwriting typing effect in PowerPoint. Let me see the preview once again, just to be sure of all the settings. So this, you remember we had traced this entire text portion, and we had put that tracing inside the JPG image, and we have now superimposed this JPG image. That is, we are moving this JPG image with the previous. So this is how we are getting the typewriter effect. We can also add one very good effect at the end. That is, after finishing all of this, I can make this hand go away. So for this, I just click here, I go to add animations, and I come to the exit part. So exit is at the end how I want this hand to go away. So I can make it fade away, I can make it fly away, or I can make it float. And there are a lot of animations, you can try them out yourself, and I assure you, you will be perfect in no time. But for the purpose of this example, let me take float out. Okay, so let me now preview it once again. Okay, this is tracing it. Nice. This is the first slide, and you see now it is going back. So I'll just check it. It is start after previous. Okay, now let me play the slideshow and let's see what happens. Slideshow from beginning. Let me click. So this is the handwriting effect in PowerPoint, which we have done